Y9-5-axis machining center is suitable for 5-axis linkage processing of wood mold, sanitary, foam, plastic and solid wood. It adopts Italian high-precision 5-axis head, HSK63F interface. Y9 is a combination of variety functions: setting, milling, engraving, cutting, drilling. The machine adopts Italy OSAI control system with RTCP function and good operating experience. It is equipped with water cooling spindle, automatic lubrication system of feeding, transmission and cooling spray system of tool. It adopts Japan Yaskawa servo motor and high precision planetary reducer.